Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday where Laura and I take a layout that we find either on Instagram or YouTube or somewhere and we scraplift it. So we are doing the lovely Cassie box. I happened to find this because we wanted to kind of do a spring themey type thing. And if you celebrate holidays, happy Easter. It is Easter here in the United States. And, and I know it's across the world in certain parts of the country. So if you do celebrate, happy Easter. And so with that being said, I am going to take these two photos. Cassie has 4 photos, but I can tell that they are her Snapchat photos. And so I'm going to kind of act like these are cut in half. And we're going to treat them as my 4 photos. She does this circle and all of this fun stuff. And so let's go ahead and see what I can do. Okay, so I forgot to tell you that this was from the Scrap Room, the March edition. And I'm using the Echo Park collection, one of the spring collections of the flavor of the month that they had in there. And I'm going through and I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do. So I had to go down and grab a bowl. And then I realized that when I made this line, it wasn't big enough. So then I had to go back through and then I cut it. And then I get going on making the half circle on that one side and then collectively put everything together. Now, I do a little bit more mixed media than what Cassie does, but then at the same time, she has more string and I don't. So what I did was here is that in her layout, and when you pull it up on like Instagram, it shows that it looks like she did some hand stitching. Well, it wasn't hand stitching, it was a doodle. So I went and doodled in and got that so that it's all right and taken care of. And then I do come in with speckled egg because I wanted to pull a little bit more of a collection off of this. Now on camera, you can't really quite see it like you would want to see it. But in the still shots and the more I put stuff down, you can tell that I use this. I just wanted a barrier between the two spots. And I've really liked doing this dry mixed media on there so that I can still feel like I have mixed media, but with a little bit more, I'm just loving to adding that on there. Plus I'm wanting to use my collections more and, my mixed media stuff. So here, this is where I come in with a little bit more mixed media than what she has on there. Cassie, I can tell, used like Nuvo drops, and I do come in with a pops of color, the black. But you will see that I do more of like the enamel dot type dots than mixed media based like on what I did earlier. Now I am just going to put just a little bit of a border on these because if I put too much, then I'm going to be outside my circle and I don't want, or my half circle, and I don't want that. So make sure that while you're watching me put all this together, make sure that you go check out Laura and obviously Cassie. I love myself some Cassie. Cassie's layouts are so fun. I just love how she puts all of her stuff together. It's just amazing. Make sure you go check out Laura as well. I can't wait to see her take on this because I'm the one that gave her this. And it's definitely more up my alley than Laura's, but I know that Laura always loves my challenges. So here I am. I'm just placing a little bit more of the thread down because Cassie does have that in her layouts where I am going to do more of the Nuvo drops so that you can see that. I can tell that for some reason my lighting keeps catching some of these photos. So when I went to go get them, I forgot to take it off of glossy and I should have had them on matte. And that is why I don't like gloss because it makes your photo stand out weird or wonky or whatever you want to say. But I'm just going through and I'm doing my embellishments. Now I'm a heavy embellisher. Cassie is very much of a heavy embellisher as well. And I forgot to turn my camera on. So all of a sudden we come back and I have all of this mixed media or all of these layouts done. and these sections done on this layout. And that's because I was really going to town and didn't realize I wasn't filming. So obviously I put the corner piece up on top, the bottom piece down there. I got a bicycle, and then I'm working on this. My title is going to be called Date Night, because she does hers on the bottom more, and so I wanted to do embellishment cluster title, and then embellishment cluster more at the bottom. And then I am placing like bees and butterflies and little enamel dots. You'll see me come in. That strip will be gone. I use up almost all of what I got for the embellishment kits. That is why I get the embellishment kit for the scrap room, because I am a heavy embellisher. I was trying super hard to not do it and just keep the challenge going on just handling. No, I was like, nope, not doing it. So, of course, I went and added a little bit extra to my kit each month. But here, this is where I was bringing in the enamel dots. And it's the pop of color called Oxide. And it's just, I'm adding the dots like what she did on her sections. And just making sure that they all match. And every little spot's got like dots, and I just wanted the dots everywhere. And then I'm placing the strip there of enamel dots that you see in the corner. That gets put there as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I am going for 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I am well on my way, and I would love to have you. It doesn't cost anything to hit that like and subscribe button. So I would love to have you. Make sure you go check out Laura and Cassie as well. All of the links and all of the fun stuff will be down below, and all of that good jazz. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.